This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 9th of August. I'm James Spann. Some folks getting some really good rain this morning across Alabama. Thought we'd check some images from the Spann Twitter Army. First off, that is coming from Greensboro. Kind of an ominous shelf cloud that ahead of a big batch of storms just south of there this afternoon. Hey, turn around, don't drown. You know that saying, and that's certainly true here. That is Messer Airport Highway in Birmingham after those big late morning downpours, producing some flooding in the typical low spots like that. How about that for a creepy-looking cloud? That is from Paul Snow Stadium on the campus of Jacksonville State University this afternoon. Ooh, don't those numbers look good for August? This is a time of the year where we would be on fire in many cases. Anniston is at 70 degrees at 2 o'clock. That's over 20 below average and more representative of a high we'd see like in early January. Wow. Hotspot, Montgomery, they've got 92, but big storms are moving in there as well. In fact, there's the radar at 2:43 this afternoon. The better instabilities are down south, and accordingly, the stronger storms are basically along and south of U.S. Highway 80. Any light rain for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden would be just that, light. Any new storms would probably come in late tonight or tomorrow. Severe weather potential for the rest of today and tonight. We got a slight risk out ahead of a strong cold front for August, all the way from near Longview, Texas to Burlington, Vermont. That includes Muscle Shoals, Huntsville, Memphis, Nashville. Storms will likely fire on the front later tonight. Some of those could enter the Tennessee Valley tonight and pack a punch. And then tomorrow, the risk area is east of here, places basically from Atlanta to New York City. And we might see some strong storms, kind of like the ones today, not really severe in the classic sense, but they'll be pretty strong. Rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And, you know, goodness, some people had 2 inches of rain this morning from one storm. But on an average basis, an additional 1 inch is likely tonight and tomorrow. And then we go dry for the weekend. Tropics, 1, 2, 3, 4 systems to talk about. Ernesto, the tropical storm, is moving into Mexico. That will be weakening and fizzling out. What's left of Florence is north of Puerto Rico, not expected to develop. The one that's got the highest percentage on the board is that one in the middle of the Atlantic, and then behind that we have that new wave coming off the coast of Africa. There's modeling on 92L, and the models now are beginning to want to turn this thing poleward, a shift to the north once it reaches the Caribbean in response to a weakening of the ridge north of the system. And that just might favor a storm that would recurve just off the United States coastline, but that is sure not carved in stone. There's the intensity scheme. Many models bring this up to a tropical storm. The name would be Gordon, and one brings it up to a Category 1 hurricane in about 4 days. So we'll keep an eye on things out there. But all of this, of course, is a long way out there. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Nice, cool upper low over Michigan with a trough down to the Gulf of Mexico. 594 heat to the west. And tomorrow, ahead of a cold front, we're expecting a good chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Storms could be strong. Temperatures will not get out of the 80s. And then Saturday, here comes the dry air. Looks very nice. The sky becoming sunny. Humidity values drop. Dew points dropping in the 50s. High in the mid to upper 80s. And then Sunday will be very nice. Sunny and pleasant. A nice cool morning with low and mid 60s with 50s maybe for the cooler pockets. And again, there's a look at the NAM for Saturday morning. Look at those 40s up north. That's in record territory up there. And no, we're not going to be in the 40s here, but again, I do think Sunday morning we could see places like Valley Head, maybe Collinsville, reaching 57, 58 degrees, and that'll be a great preview of fall. All right, next week, moisture starts to come back. We might mention a slight chance of a shower Monday, a better chance Tuesday as the moisture deepens. There's Wednesday of next week, and a week from today, a little wavy westerly flow, and again, there's enough moisture there for the typical chance of scattered showers and storms. Highs probably around 90, and that's not too bad for this time of the year. We'll check the end of the forecast, August 25th. Nice trough in the northwest, and down below that here looks very, very standard for August. Kind of hot and muggy with a chance of scattered storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and don't forget to watch ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.